Now if I go ahead and change this, I'll write in another console dot log with welcome to .NET Crunch. Okay, and save it. So again we need to now if we go and check the main.js file, the recent change is not being added to this file. So for that, once we again compile it, the changes will be transpiled and main.js will be updated. I've just executed this command, and now let's go ahead and check. Yeah, here's the change. The file is updated. Now if you run this file using Node, you will get two console outputs: hello world and welcome to .NET Crunch. So the one thing which I want to highlight over here is, like, if you want these changes, like whatever changes you do over here in your main.ts file should automatically transpile, or the file should automatically transpile or compile into the respective JS file. You can do one thing. You can add tsc nothing much here. So our file is main, so tsc main minus minus watch. So it will add it will start the compiler in a watch mode. So whenever you change anything over here, it will just automatically compile. Let's not add another log. Let's change this: hello world, welcome to .NET Crunch, let's learn TypeScript. Okay, and I'm just pressing a Control S. Before that, I'll just show you here. There is no, the file is not updated yet. I go to main.ts and I'll just press Control S, and over here, if you see, the file is updated without running that compiler again. So that's the benefit of adding watch to the file.